In this video, we're going to combine four files, PDF 01, 02, 03, and London Walk 1. The first three are single-page PDFs. Let's pop one open. It's off the screen. I'll drag it in here. And that's a single-page capture of an Apple screen. And this is a Wikipedia screen, a capture. Again, it's a one-page document. And PDF 03, which is also a one-page document. Now, when we look at London Walk 1, an ebook, and we have the author's permission to use this, we can see that it's got multiple pages. I think it's 6 or 7 pages. So let's jump right into it. We're going to use only preview. So we'll open PDF 01 and activate thumbnails and move that across. We can see the thumbnail right there. And now let's go ahead and open PDF number 2. And it also has no thumbnails right now. Let's go over to View and select Thumbnails. And there it is, the thumbnail. Drag that thumbnail over to PDF 01 and close PDF 02. Let's go to PDF 03 and again turn on thumbnails, view thumbnails, and then drag that thumbnail over to PDF 01. And then finally, let's do the London Walk one. Now this has many pages, so we can select each page by holding the appropriate key and selecting one page at a time. Or there's an alternative where you can just go straight to the top and Control A. That selects all of them. Then drag that first page across. You're actually dragging all the pages across. It's not just the first page. And we can see it in the thumbnails on the left here. Now let's close this and let's look at the PDF 01 now. PDF 01, center it. And it begins with that Apple screen grab, and then the Wikipedia screen grab, and then the NVIDIA screen grab. And then we have the book here, page 1, page 2, page 3 of the book, page 4, and page 5, 6. Oh, and there's more. Yep, all the way to the last page. So we've combined all these pages. So now the question is how to save it. Now when you go, that's PDF 01, when you go to File, Save, you don't get a Save As. It's actually going to save it as PDF 01. You need to keep that in mind before you start. It's going to consolidate it into the first file you opened. And there you have it. Let's open that file again. And let's look at it to see whether it has everything in it. There we have it. The Apple page, the Wikipedia screen grab, NVIDIA, and then onto the book. Pictures came through well. The PDF seems to be pretty well formed. And that's how you go ahead and combine PDFs using Preview and no other software. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please subscribe or like. Thank you.